So today's project is to add an end wall bracer door frame here. So first step is to draw the string and do the measurements, which we've done. And next step is to put brackets on the bow coming down. So we had to loosen these bolts to pull this pole out away from the wood a little bit to slip this bracket behind. Attaching these side bottom pieces was relatively easy. Believe it or not, the hard part is the part up above. So once you figure out the location, we actually had to take both springs out of the outside that hold the plastic in place and take the bolts out of the channel so that we could get a gap to pull that bracket through. So that took a bit of work there. Much more difficult than the bottom pieces. We have one done, now we have to tackle the other one. Okay, we got our first two pieces of wood attached at the top there on that side of the door, and over here on this side of the door. And they hang down, and it's time to work on the next pieces. All right, the next step was to attach these end wall bottom brackets. So we leveled that out and did that on each side. The last step is going to be attaching these with one more board. Okay, I think we're done. Here's a picture from the outside. It was way easier zipping up the sides with the wood holding it in place. This is what it looks like on the inside.